Well, hello guys, so the box set the Razer Barracuda X for PC, PlayStation, Switch, and your Android. It works with the PS5. Comes with a USB dongle. Here's the back. Compatibility wise, let's grab this out of the box. Okay guys, let's try to get this out. Barracuda X. Your stickers. Your silicone gel packs. So yeah. Very comfy guys. You get your Type-C, 20 hours of battery life, your buttons. I've been filming a lot here on this table. Your adapter. Your C to A. Your C dongle. That will work with, I think, plug in the switch. Here's the adapter. I'm gonna go into your PlayStation, and in here we're gonna have your 3.5mm jack cable. This will connect here, and there to go. That is how simple this works. It has its buttons here, buttons there, turn on and off. Very comfy to use. Guys, the unboxing of the Barracuda X from Razer, guys. I'll do a full review, and guys, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Peace out.